Heritage Malta is collaborating with Eden Leisure Foundation, which will sponsor the restoration of the Grand Master's Carriage, an 18th century Berlin coach located in the Grand Master's Palace in Valletta. This project is part of the broader restoration of the Grand Master's Palace, Heritage Malta's most ambitious conservation initiative to date, focused on both architectural restoration and preserving valuable artifacts like the carriage. The Grand Master's Carriage, originally gilded, has undergone various modifications, especially during the island's brief French occupation. The restoration will address these changes, preserving the layered history of the artifact, which will eventually be a centerpiece in the newly restored Grand Master's Palace, inspiring and educating for years to come.